Apparo Tutorials. Embedding business cases. In this tutorial, we show how to integrate business cases directly into Qlik Sense apps. We also show how to use filter values from Qlik Sense to filter business case data. We open the Apparo Designer via the Designer button. Our goal is to embed the table business case. To do this, we open the business case in the Edit view by clicking on the link name. Then we go to the tab linking to Qlik Sense app. Here you will find step-by-step instructions how to connect Apparo and Qlik Sense. For now, we only need the first one, using the Apparo business case extension. The sample screenshots can be enlarged by clicking on them. The settings can be copied to the clipboard by using this button. We switch to Qlik Sense and open the app we want to edit. Here we have prepared a selector for the product lines, which we will use later. We click on Edit and go to Custom Objects. Then we drag the Apparo BC extension into the editing area with the mouse. And click on Apparo Business Case on the right sidebar. Here we insert the copied business case ID. The client ID is optional, but required if we have the same business case ID in different clients. We have now successfully embedded our business case, and can start editing the data. Next we would like to filter the data in the Apparo list view, via the Qlik Sense selection. To do this, we go back to the Apparo Designer. When transporting data from Qlik apps or dashboards to Apparo business cases, we need report variables. Go to the Variables menu, and click on Add. Then select Report Variable. We enter selected product lines as name, since this variable is to receive the values of the selected product lines. The output type should be text, the values are comma-separated strings. When adding a report variable, the string for the Qlik expression editor will be extended accordingly. As last step here, we have to enter the report variable as default value in the hidden filter widget for the product lines. We select our report variable via the variables picker. This widget is expecting number values, the lookup ID. Since the report variable is delivering the lookup labels only, we have to add the parameter, use labels $. The parameter, and other useful information can be seen, when activating the description mode, using the hanging green button, on the very right side. We save our progress, and copy as last step the string for the expression editor. Then we go back to Qlik Sense, and switch again to the edit mode. We open the expression editor, for primary keys and report variables, and paste the copied string. We remove the first part, which would filter for the primary key. The second part contains the variable, which we use to filter the data. We replace the placeholder with the content of the selection box. Product line name EN. We apply the changes, and leave the edit mode to test the filtering. Let's filter for product line bags. And now adding some more product lines. Everything works, and we are at the end of our tutorial. Questions? Send an email to support@apparo.solutions.